Pythons are not the easiest animals to find. This well-camouflaged and secretive species is able to blend perfectly into the environment. Detection rates for pythons are low, and on average, it takes more than 15 hours to find one. Forming mental search images or pictures in your mind's eye may help you find pythons more quickly. Prepare yourself by envisioning large snakes, over 6 feet in length, that are outstretched or coiled up. Having a mental image of what you're looking for may help your brain to quickly recognize a python if you encounter one. The competition locations in the Florida Python Challenge include a variety of habitats such as marshes, hammocks, cypress domes, and pine rocklands. Canal banks and open areas along habitat edges where the snakes can sun themselves while remaining partially concealed are ideal places to search during cooler days. Pythons can also be found basking on raised areas such as levees or tree islands. Before you head out, be sure to dress properly and have the necessary tools. Long pants, closed-toe shoes, and a snake hook or other long-handled tool are basic necessities. Bring a GPS unit or cell phone that has a GPS app on it. You'll need to record the latitude and longitude of any pythons you capture and kill. Having a cell phone for communications is a good idea as well, even though there are some areas that won't have reception. Also consider bringing a hat, long-sleeve shirt, rain gear, insect repellent, food, sunscreen, and plenty of water. It's always a good idea to let friends or family know where you'll be going and approximately what time you plan to return. It's important that you familiarize yourself with the competition rules. Also, wildlife management area regulations may vary, so please see the WMA regulations brochure for the locations you want to visit. All pythons must be humanely killed on site. If you plan to use a firearm, be sure to check the specific area regulations for the location you'll be visiting to find out what type of firearms can be used, if any, to take pythons. Remember, taking pythons with a gun on, from, or across levees or the right-of-way of roads is prohibited. One way to look for pythons is to slowly cruise roads in your vehicle. Be sure to watch for oncoming traffic while looking for snakes that are basking in the sun or moving across the road. However, many of the roads in the competition locations aren't open to vehicles. You can get out and walk or bicycle these roads, but be sure to review the specific regulations for each area. In some places, walking is limited to established trails. In others, you can walk through wooded areas and along levees and canals. In winter, pythons can often be found basking in open areas. While you can safely capture pythons on canal banks, don't try to capture one in the water, which is an inherently dangerous situation. While you're out looking for pythons, be sure to respect the Everglades habitats. Don't cut down vegetation. Be sure to return overturned logs or rocks, and haul out any trash you have. And make sure you know how to positively identify Burmese pythons. You can carry a field guide with you to help make sure you can tell pythons apart from our native snakes. Only remove Burmese pythons and leave all native wildlife alone. The more you get out and look for pythons, the better you'll become at finding them.